Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can disable the red receipts in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone. After you do this, what you need to do next is click on the profile option on the top left corner. Then you should see the privacy right under notification. Go ahead and tap on privacy and you can see right under messaging option there is something called red receipts. If red receipts are disabled, you won't be able to see the red receipts from others. Go ahead and disable it if you want, and you can see that you will no longer be able to see the red receipts from others, and they will not know that you have read, or you will not know that if they have read your text. So you can go ahead and enable this function, which is right under messaging settings. You can find it right under privacy in messaging. So guys, I hope this video about how you can disable the red receipts in Signal was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.